guys. 3-part. The mail ran. I knew I was hearing something. The mailman ran. Bill. Not bills. Bill. Then I got this. Let's see here. Go ahead and make y'all food. Go ahead and make y'all food. Is it still in the bowl? Yeah, y'all can have that. Yeah, of course. Okay. So, yeah, so it was very nice. But tomorrow's church. Yeah. This hairstyle was holding up. I don't know if I want to take it down or leave it twisted. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think I'm just going to chop on some cucumbers. I was going to make some pasta salad, but I said, no, we just had pasta yesterday. So I'm going to hold off on that. But I do got some cucumbers that I think I'm going to cut up. So I'll be right back. I'm going to have me a cucumber salad. Yep. Subway's over here, y'all. It's closed for good. They're not opening. They're not reopening. They've been closed for almost 2 months. So they're not opening. I don't know what happened, what caused it. Maybe they under construction. Maybe they get ready to get I don't know, but they haven't been open. And that's what I had a taste for. I don't have a taste for nothing else around here. Nothing. I really don't. I really don't. So now I am about to eat this. I'm getting ready to cut it. This was for the salad I made yesterday, but I didn't get around to putting it in there. What you say? Yeah, slap your mama. So I'm just cutting up some cucumbers, guys. That's all. I'm just eating. I'm not going to put no onions in or nothing like that. Any more tomatoes? It's okay if it's not.
Wait, I gave it to you.
Okay. I'm cutting them up. Y'all, it's getting a little cold now. I turned the heat off, but because it was just like too hot. It was too hot. Use 1 cup of rice, just one. You hear me?
Can we use your wheat rice?
Yeah, of course, yep. Hold on a second. Because ain't nowhere to put that. It's going to end up spilling. Just hold tight. So I'm cutting up these cucumbers, people. Yep. I normally buy the smaller ones. I used to buy these years ago, the real big ones like this, but I don't know. These is cool. They'll do. And so I'm going to put some Italian dressing and ranch. Oh, yes. Some slap your mama. Yep. Bring me a fork, please. Okay. Now I'm going to add some Italian dressing. And I normally like adding onions and stuff in here, but we good. This don't want to come out. I'm trying to figure out what is up with that. I'm pouring Italian dressing over it, y'all. Something healthy. somewhat. Let me see that fork. All right, I'm good. I'm good. All right, y'all. So here's my cucumber salad. I didn't even cut that piece. Excuse the lighting. I just don't feel like all that light on right now. I don't. Not because I got a headache. I don't have a headache, but I'm just chilling, y'all. You don't need all that light. Comment down below if you like cucumber salad. And what do you put in yours? Because I just use tomatoes, onions, and cucumbers. That's it. Mm-hmm. Mmm. These are good. Mm-hmm. And they're very crunchy. Mm-hmm. Mm. I learned something. It's crazy how you learn stuff every day. Something new. Cucumbers. They're like, girl, you didn't know that. No, I didn't. Because I noticed when I cut cucumbers up, put in my salad, it's wet. It's really, it makes the, like it's just wet. I don't know how to explain it, but they say you're supposed to take out the middle part so it won't be wet. Make your salad wet. I don't know. Really good though. I'm gonna have to DoorDash me a sub sandwich later. Because this definitely ain't gonna hold me. Ooh, Italian dressing and ranch together is so good. Goes together so well. I should cut this. Oh, I did cut it. I do got some shrimp in there. I think I'm gonna make that shrimp tomorrow with something. Yeah, I'm gonna make it tomorrow. Yep. I'm down for you too. I'm not watching that. Is that it? The sun is out. The sun is shining today. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. It's a lot of people who don't like cucumbers. But I'm a fan. A big fan. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-mm. And I don't even know how I became a fan of cucumbers. Probably watching YouTubers. From watching a lot of YouTube, seeing people eat them, and they be like, just saying how good they are, and you know, it looked very. So they enticed me to get it. It was very enticing. I'm going to try it. Ever since then, I've been a fan. I can't even tell you how many years ago. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm. Mm. I'm getting ready to start taking out some of these hearts, like the hearts on my door. But the hearts back here stand up. I think I'm gonna take these X and O's off. Yep, I'm gonna take that off. And then, like the rest of the hearts, I'm keeping up. They're really cute. These are cute too on my door, but it's time for them to go. X and O's up here, gone. Yep. Yep. I'm about to do some DIYs. I'm about to go online. DIYs out of just paper alone. I seen somebody, they made like these big flowers. And I believe they made it with just paper. So I'm going to get on there later on and have me a little DIY. I'm going to have that too. That's another thing I want to do too. My friends have DIYs. They're going to be doing like arts and crafts and just doing like decorations and stuff. I'm going to get all the stuff and we're just going to sit down and have a good time. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. Here we go. And relax. Prepare my mind for tomorrow. I'm just getting ready to relax, honey. And, yeah, just chill. But did you get the stuff to wet it?
I don't need. You want this one too?
No.
I don't need it for the door because the door is metal.
Alright, guys, so let me go. I'll talk to you guys later. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, share, thumbs up, click that post notification button, smash it so you can get all my uploads right behind. It chips. Right?